What to watch? Phil Davis versus Ryan Bader, a rematch. Both these guys so incredibly motivated. Phil Davis lost to Ryan Bader the first time they fought. He wants that win back. This time, he's the champion. This time, it's a new organization where he's had a ton of success. Ryan Bader coming in as a free agent signing. He has a chance to come in, take the title in his first fight in Bellator, and be the guy in division with names like King Mo, the former champion McGeary, that I'm the man. That's an opportunity not a lot of fighters get. You can't underestimate the effect of confidence. Phil Davis, the champ, dominated Liam McGeary, knocked out Francis Carmel, has owned everyone he's fought in Bellator. This has been his home, and he is not here to get kicked out by a free agent signing. Ryan Bader is coming into hostile territory, coming into a promotion he's never fought for before at Madison Square Garden, the main event of a huge show. He's stepping right into the crossfire, and Phil Davis has found his legs in Bellator and has looked more dominant than he ever has throughout his entire career. If Phil Davis is going to get back this win, it's going to be this night. It's never going to be set up for him better. But Ryan Bader coming in with so many fans behind him and so much hype as a free agent signing who might come in and be the champion. Ryan Bader, Phil Davis, Bellator 180, the main event for the light heavyweight title. Don't miss it.